Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 16 of exercise 4.6 of 12th class maths. The problem 16 is given as the cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is rupees 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Find cost of each item per kg by matrix method. So you have to find the cost of each items per kg. The three items are here: onion, wheat and rice. Right. So in the first sentence, what is given? The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat plus 2 kg rice is 60. So that means if you take price of each of the three quantities as x per kg, that means 4 x, okay, and then if you take the cost of wheat as y per kg and cost of rice as z, okay, so what you will get is 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60. Okay, similarly for the second sentences also you will get three equations. So what we have to do first is we have to let some quantities here. Okay, so let rupees x be the price of 1 kg onion. Okay, then let rupees y be the price of 1 kg wheat, and let rupees z be the price of 1 kg rice. Okay, so what you'll get from the first sentence, we will get 4x because x is the price of 1 kg onion. That means 4 kg onions will have the price 4x, right? So 4x plus, now 3 kg wheat is there. Price of 1 kg wheat is y. So price of 3 kg wheat will be 3y, and plus 2 kg rice. So that means the price of 2 kg rice will be 2z, right? 2z, and the total price is given as 60. Okay. Similarly, we have to look at the second sentence. The cost of 2 kg onion, that means 2x, plus 4 kg wheat, so that means 4y, plus 6 kg rice, that means 6z, is equal to 90. Then the cost of 6 kg onion, so that means we will get 6x plus 2 kg wheat, that means 2y, plus 3 kg rice, so that means 3z, that is equal to 70. Okay, so this is system of equations we get, and we will call it as 1. Okay, now we have to solve the system of equations by matrix method, okay, to find the cost of each of the items. So what we will do is we will let some matrices here. So let matrix A be equal to the coefficient matrix. So what we will get? 4 3 2, then 2 4 6, then 6 2 3, then let capital X be equal to, this will be XYZ. Okay, that is the xyz from the system of equation xyz, and capital B equal to the constants on the right of the three equations, that is 60, 90 and 70. So one can be now written as one can be written as capital A times x is equal to b. This we have seen earlier. So the solution of this will be what? If we call this as 2, the solution of 2 is given by x equal to A inverse b. Okay, let us call this as 3. So this is the solution. Now you can see that we have to find the matrix A inverse here, right? B matrix we already have. So by finding A inverse and B, and after multiplying the both matrices, we can get the matrix X. Okay. So let us find out A inverse. So for that we have to find cofactors of matrix A. So that is A11. A11 will be equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, and determinant of, now we have to delete the first row and the first column, right? So what we will get is 4623. So determinant 4623. So minus 1 raised to 2 times 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 6 is 12. That will be equal to minus 1 square is 1 times 12 minus 12 is 0. So we will get 0 here, right? Then A12 we have to find. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, determinant of, we have to delete the first row and the second column. So 2663, 2663, that will be equal to minus 1 raised to 3 times 3 times 2 is 6, minus 6 times 6 is 36. So we will get minus 1, because minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, times 6 minus 36 is minus 30. So that means we will get 30 here. Then A13, so minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 times, now we have to delete the first row and the third column. So 2462, 2462, so that will be equal to minus 1 raised to 4 times 2, minus 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6 times 4 is 24. So minus 1 raised to 4 is 1 times 4 minus 24 is minus 20. So we will get minus 20 here. Okay. Then A21, so minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. So we have to delete the second row and the first column. So we will get 3223. 3223. So this will be equal to minus 1 raised to 3 times 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 2 is 4. So this will be equal to minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 times 9 minus 4 is 5. So minus 5 we will get. Then A22 will be equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, determinant. So now we have to delete the second one, the second column. So that means 4263. So 4263. This will be equal to minus 1 raised to 4 times 3 times 4 is 12, minus 6 times 2 is 12. So this will be equal to 1 times 0, which is equal to 0. Okay. Then 823, so minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 times. Now we have to delete the second row and the third column. Okay, so 4362 we will get 4362. This will be equal to minus 1 raised to 5 times 2 times 4 is 8, minus 6 times 3 is 18, so which is equal to minus 1 times 8 minus 18 is minus 10, so we will get 10. Then A31, so A31 will be equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 times. Now we have to delete the third row and the first column. So 3, 2, 4, 6. 3, 2, 4, 6. So that will be equal to minus 1 raised to 4 times 6 times 3 is 18, minus 4 times 2 is 8. That will be equal to 1, because minus 1 raised to 4 is 1, times 0. 0 we will get here. Oh, sorry. 18 minus 8 is 10. So we will get 10 here. And so 1 times 10 is 10. So 10 we will get. Then A32 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 multiplied by determinants. Now we have to delete the third row and the second column. So 4, 2, 2, 6. 4, 2, 2, 6. That will be equal to minus 1 raised to 5. 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. So that means we will get minus 1 times 20, which is minus 20. Okay. Then A33 we will have to find. A33 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 times. Now we have to delete the third row and the third column. So 4, 3, 2, 4. So 4, 3, 2, 4. So that will be equal to minus 1 raised to 6 times 4 times 4 is 16, minus 2 times 3 is 6. This will be equal to 1 times 10, which is 10. Okay. So this is what we get. Now we have to write adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 transpose. Okay. So that will be equal to nothing but matrix A11, which is 0. Then we have A12 as 30. Then A13 we have it as minus 20. Then A21 is minus 5. A22 is 0. A23 is 10. A31 is 10. A32 is minus 20. A33 is 10. Transpose. Okay. So that means what we have to do here is interchange the rows and the columns, because we have to take transpose, right? So first row will become the first column. So that is 0, 30, minus 20. Second row will become the second column. So that is minus 5, 0 and 10. Third row will become the third column. So 10, minus 20, 10. Okay. So this is what we have as adjoint of A. Now we can calculate A inverse. But before that we have to calculate determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of matrix 4 3 2 2 4 6 6 2 3. 4 3 2 2 4 6 6 3 2 6 2 3. So that will be equal to 4 times 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 6 is 12. Then minus 3 times 3 times 2 is 6, minus 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 times 2 times 4 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6 times 4 is 24. So 4 times 0, minus 6, minus 3 times minus 30, plus 2 times minus 20. Okay, so that will be equal to 0 plus 30 minus 40. There is a mistake here. 3 times 30 is 90, and then minus 40. So what we will get is 50. So determinant of A is 50. Now we can calculate A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. Right? So that means 1 by determinant of A is 50. And then we have adjoint of A as this 0 minus 5 10, 30 0 minus 20, and minus 20 10 10. Right? So this is A inverse. Now we have to calculate the solution of the system of equations. Right? So solution we have already written in the matrix form here. Right? X is equal to A inverse B. So from 3 we get, so let us write it again here. X is equal to A inverse B. So that means X is equal to A inverse is 1 by 50, 0 minus 5 10, then 30 0 minus 20, and minus 20 10 10. And B, we can write it, we have to write it here. B is 60 90 70. So 1 by 50, we have to multiply the matrices. So first row of the first matrix multiplied by first column of the second matrix. So we will get 0, right? 0 times 60 is 0, minus 5 times 90 is minus 450, then plus 10 times 700 is 70. 10 times 70 is 700. Okay, then second row of first matrix multiplied by first column of the second matrix. So 30 times 60 is 180 plus 0 times 90 is 0. Actually 30 times 60 here is not 180, 1800. Then minus 20 times 70 is minus 1400, right? Then minus 20 times 60 is minus 1200 plus 10 times 90 is 900 plus 10 times 70 is 700. So this will be equal to 1 by 50. So into 700 minus 450 will be 250. Then 1800 minus 1400 will be 400, right? Then 900 plus 700 will be 1600 minus 1200, right? 1600 minus 1200 is 400. So now what we have to do here is multiply 150 to each of the terms in the column matrix here. So what we'll get, 250 by 50, okay, then 400 by 50 and 400 by 50. So that means the x value now will be the x from here. So x value will be, so 250 divided by 50 will be nothing but 5. 400 divided by 50 will be 8, and 400 divided by 50 again will be 8 here. So x is equal to column matrix 5, 8, 8. So that means what we will get here is column matrix x, y, z, right? Capital X is nothing but column matrix x, y, z. So column matrix x, y, z is equal to 5, 8, 8. So that means x is 5, y is 8, and z is 8. Okay. So therefore the price, that is the cost, right? Price or the cost of uh, onion onion is rupees 5 per kg. Then the cost of rice, wheat rice, wheat is rupees 8 per kg, and the cost of rice is also rupees per 8 kg, rupees 8 per kg. Okay, so that is the solution of problem 15. So that's it in the video. We will meet in the next video.